Lost in the bronze beauty of Hoover Dam, I completely forgot to keep track of time. But my own disappearing shadow is reminding me it's almost noon and it's time to keep going. We are going to continue our journey from this man-made marvel to arguably the most beautiful among the 7 natural wonders of the world. The Grand Canyon is a steep-sided canyon located in northern Arizona. And the Grand Canyon is literally an art piece created by the Colorado River, carving up the layered bands of red rock over millions of years and dividing the plateau with a 16-kilometer wide river valley. The 2 divisions are called North and South Rims, and today we are driving to the South Rim, which is around 4 hours from Hoover Dam. We can reach the South Rim quicker if we go through the highway, but we decided to take the Mother Road or the historic Route 66 to Grand Canyon. We decided to make a quick stop at Antares Point. Antares Point is one of the best places to experience the Route 66 lifestyle. And if we are lucky, we will also be able to see someone quite popular, the Giganticus hericus. And the gift shop was closed when we got there, but the Ranch Rose Motel next door was still open and we got to check out the vintage vehicles parked outside. I am a huge fan of vintage cars. Driving down through the Mother Road, checking out these classics are literally like a dream come true for me. We can see quite an interesting collection of artwork here. And this guy reminds me of MODOK from Marvel Comics. Over there, this artwork is called the Wishing Bell for Fertility. Since I'm not married yet, I should probably stay away from it. Although we are traveling through 4 states in this road trip, we specifically chose the part of Route 66 in Arizona because every stop you make in Arizona comes with an added advantage with a spectacular view. And this is the Route 66 Guardian, although the last time I saw it actually had a shield on the hand. And that's the star of the show, Giganticus hericus, the 14 feet tall tiki head created by Greg Arnold. Since we were on a limited time, we got back on the road and reached Grand Canyon by late afternoon. Our first stop is the visitor center on the South Rim. Thousands of tourists visit Grand Canyon every day. Most of the tourists who come to Vegas also make Grand Canyon as their next stop. Since Vegas is most active during the night, the tourists try to go to places like the Grand Canyon or Death Valley during the daytime. And before the European arrival, all these areas used to be home to many different Red Indian tribes. During the years followed by the arrival of European settlers, the Native American communities were forcefully moved, renamed, and even completely destroyed in some areas. The 2 major tribes that reside in Grand Canyon are Yavapai and Yavapai. As a form of reparation, the US government have given them exclusive rights to operate tourism-related businesses in Grand Canyon area. Hi. How can we get the shuttle service? Do we need to pay for it?
The shuttle is free. It comes every 15 to 20 minutes.
15 minutes. So we just need to wait over there, and
Yeah.
right?
If you go out past the left, you'll find the shuttle terminal right there.
Thanks a lot. Take care. We parked our car next to the visitor center and we are taking the shuttle bus to check out different viewpoints. The shuttle bus service is free of cost to the tourist and pass by all major viewpoints every 15 minutes. We got out from the bus at Mather Point. Mather Point and Yavapai Point are the two most popular overlooks along the South Rim Trail in Grand Canyon. Standing here, it's easy to see why Mather Point is a favorite for first-time visitors and returning explorers alike. We can see the other side of Grand Canyon from here. Although there is only a 16-kilometer distance between the north and south rims, there is no bridge connecting them together. Therefore, the only way to reach North Rim from here is to go on a 5-hour road trip. Here the Colorado River appears but a whisper below, carving its way through the millennia of geological history. Every minute here feels like witnessing the earth breathe, each shift in sunlight revealing a new secret hidden under the red rocks. As we soak in the breathtaking views around us, we can also feel the difference in air quality. Grand Canyon area have one of the best quality air in the United States. We can see the Colorado River flowing down from here. The water from this river end up in Lake Mead and eventually used by the Hoover Dam. There is an epic that during the gold rush time, the Spanish settlers used to raft down the Colorado River in search of gold deposits along the banks of Grand Canyon. Although we are here only for one night, the Grand Canyon offers weeks of activities to an interested tourist. Biking to rafting and camping to helicopter rides. It have almost everything to keep a tourist entertained without getting bored. Grand Canyon actually has some of the most scenic bike tracks in the world and is open from March to November. And the view of the Colorado River from here is actually tempting me to do a hike. But It takes a minimum of 2 days to hike back and forth from the Colorado River. I would strongly recommend to anyone watching this video to make a plan and visit Grand Canyon at least once. As the sun begins to set, the canyon transforms. The shifting light paints the sky in hues of orange and red. It's a spectacular view to see.